Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at the Cooler Master Sicklefow 120 RGB fan. We'll unbox it, we'll show you the connectors and some close-ups of it. Then I'm going to install it in my computer and show you what the RGB looks like once it's installed. If you are interested in this RGB fan, I will put links below in the description so you can find more information or pick one up for yourself. Let's go ahead and dive right into unboxing this Cooler Master Sicklefow 120 RGB. So let's take a closer look at this Cooler Master Sicklefow 120 RGB PC Case Fan. Now a couple things I do want to mention. First off, it says it has a new frame with updated lighting design, so that's pretty cool. The other thing I do want to mention is it says it's certified compatible with ASUS Aura Sync as well as ASRock Polychrome Sync and MSI Mystic Light. Now I was looking around online and it also said Fusion, Gigabyte Fusion. Now I have Gigabyte Fusion, we're going to be installing it in that, so we'll double check if it works with that as well. Let's go ahead and open this right up. So the Cooler Master Sicklefow 120 RGB PC fan, let's pull it out of the box here. Ooh, nice white fan blades. It's got a little bag in here with a connector if you do want to daisy chain some fans together, as well as 4 screws for mounting your fan. Awesome. Nice white fan blade, as I mentioned, with a hologram there in the middle. We'll give it a spin. It's got sealed bearing structure is what it says on the box. It's got rubber padding here on the top, as well as on the bottom here to prevent rattling and noise. That's super handy. Let's have a quick look at the cables. 2 cables here. The one is the fan cable that connects to your motherboard for power. You can see it's a 4-pin there. And the RGB cable, again, this is a 4-pin as well. And there's a pigtail on there with a male 4-pin as well for daisy chaining together. Let's have a look at the cable length here. Both cables are about 30 centimeters long or 1 foot. Now I'm going to be removing this non-RGB case fan from my PC case. There's 4 screws holding it in place from the back, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I did go ahead and zip tie my fan power cable because the connector for it is right down in here next to the fan. But my RGB cable, I did want to put that through the back up here at the top and feed it through and come out right next to the connector here on my motherboard. But the cable's just not long enough to do that. So for this video, I'm going to just feed it right across. I might need to think about buying an extension. It's just something to think about. And the connector I'm using on my Gigabyte motherboard is the LED C2 connector. Just make sure you're plugging it in the correct direction. My fan is all installed. We're going to power it up here. And the LED lights started up right away. Awesome. Let's jump over to the Fusion software on my computer and make sure we can control the color of the RGB. So I'll make sure the correct connector is selected here in the software. And there's all sorts of presets here from static all the way down to color cycle down here. Let's go ahead and check color cycle. When I do that, you can see the colors start changing right away through all the different RGB colors. Perfect. We'll go back to static and we can go through some of the colors here. If we click on red, it goes to red. We can click on yellow. We can click on blue and pink. I'm really liking the colors that this fan is giving off, and it's great that it's working with my Gigabyte Fusion software. Again, it works with ASUS Aura Sync, ASRock Polychrome Sync, and MSI Mystic Light. I'm really happy with this Cooler Master Sicklefow 120 RGB fan. It's exactly what I was looking for. So I hope this video was able to give you value in taking a closer look at the Cooler Master Sicklefow 120 RGB PC Case Fan. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You will find all those links below in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.